Okay, Bhavishya. Fine. Good evening once again.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have some doubt with the first one. So you are working the second one, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So complete the second one and let me know. You're doing A or B in the second one? Okay. So since I cannot hear you clearly, I'll just explain all the answers, and once I finish them, you can start writing. Yeah. So this is the first one. We are given the value of x minus 1 by x. It's 7. And with the help of this value, you need to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. So you simply have to square on both the sides. So see here. So take up the given equation, x minus 1 by x is equal to 7. This is what is given. Okay, write on that equation and square on both the sides. So that means x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 7 square. Square the left hand side, square the right hand side. Okay. After that, now the left hand side is x minus 1 by x the whole square, like a minus b the whole square, where a is x and b is 1 by x. A minus b the whole square, x minus 1 by x the whole square. So a is x and b is 1 by x. So a minus b the whole square is a squared, that is x squared, minus 2ab. So 2 into a into b, x into 1 by x, plus b squared. B is 1 by x. So plus 1 by x the whole square. So this is a squared, this is minus 2ab, and this is plus b squared. It's a minus b the whole square. So it is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to 7 square, which is 49. Now x and x gets cancelled. So we have x squared minus 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 1 by x squared is equal to 49. Now transpose minus 2. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 49 plus 2. So the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared is 51. This is what we have to find. And the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared is 51. See the alternate method. You can also do it like this. Now for this you have to write an identity. Now since you are given something which looks like a minus b, something which looks like a minus b, x minus 1 by x. So you write this identity, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Since, see, how do we know that we have to write this identity? Because we are given something which looks like a minus b, x minus 1 by x. So a related, an identity close to an identity close to this one is a minus b the whole square. So write the identity, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now in place of a, use x, and in place of b, use 1 by x. Everywhere, throughout in this identity, where you have x, where you have a, use x, where you have b, use 1 by x. And that is what is this step. Every a is replaced with x. Every a is replaced with x, and every b is replaced with 1 by x. First, you should write this identity. Then the same thing is down, but x has become, a has become x, b has become 1 by x. See, a has become x, a is x and b is 1 by x, and b is 1 by x. That is the next step. So x minus 1 by x the whole square is equal to, again, x and x will get cancelled. So x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. Now we know the value of x minus 1 by x. It is 7. So x minus 1 by x is 7. The value of this one is 7. So 7 square is equal to, the value of this one is 7. So 7 square is equal to x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. So that means 49. 7 square is 49. 49 and minus 2 will come here as plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square is 49 plus 2, which is 51. 51. So my recommendation is this method. But this is also sometimes in school, teachers write an identity and do it like this. So anything is fine. I've explained this one also. Recommended is this one. This is easy. You can just write down whatever is given and square it on both the sides. Here you'll have to write the identity, the correct identity. Because x minus 1 by x is given, you should write a minus b the whole square is equal to. Then in the next step, instead of a, you should say x, and instead of b, you must say 1 by x. That's all. Nothing else. Please write down this, Bhavishya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish it and let me know. Bhavishya, can I explain everything since this meeting, it's only the two of us. Can I explain everything and then can you take screenshots and complete it later?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so take a picture. But what you should do is you should work and share the PDF with me at the end of the class. All right, so that I make sure that you've written it. All right.
Ma'am, can I send the pictures of that tomorrow, ma'am? Because I'm having exam tomorrow. I want to revise that.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, then I'll do one thing. I'll explain and wind up the class. Then you study for tomorrow's exam. I'll explain all the sums in this presentation. You can take screenshots and complete it later. But before the next class, can you complete it?
Tomorrow before 5 o'clock, I will finish it and send it
Very
to you.
good girl. Very good girl. Okay, ma. Okay, do that, do that. Okay, now then you take a screenshot and ask me if you have any doubt. You can ask me, or if you
Yes,
want me to explain the whole thing again, I can do it for you.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me know if you go through and let me know if you understood or not. Any doubts you have?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So here simplify. Simplify. So this is a product. This is a monomial, a single term. This is a trinomial, 3 terms. This is a monomial, 1 term. This is a trinomial, 3 terms. So we have to multiply this monomial with this trinomial. So how do we do that? See, this is the question. So how do we do that? Multiply minus PQR and P square. Minus PQR into P square. So that will be minus P cubed QR. Minus PQR into Q square. So minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. And PQR into Q square will be P Q cubed R. Then again, minus into plus is minus. And PQR into R square will be PQ R cubed. R cubed. So that is the product. That is the product. The second one, this is a binomial, 2 terms, binomial. This is also a binomial. And we have to multiply these 2 binomials. This is a monomial. This is a trinomial. So here we found the product of a monomial with a trinomial. Here, both are binomials, 2 terms. This bracket 1, 2 terms. The second bracket 1, 2 terms. So it's the product of a binomial and a binomial. So how do you do this multiplication? So write the first term px. Multiply that with the second bracket ax minus by. Then write the second term here plus qy. And multiply that with the second bracket ax minus by. Since we have already worked sums like this earlier, I'm not doing it in detail. You understand? You're able to recall?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next, px into ax is a p x square. I'm just writing the letters in the order. A p x square. Then px into minus by minus bp xy. Then plus qy into ax plus a q xy. Plus qy into minus by. Plus into minus is minus b q y square. Y into y square. This is the product. And we cannot simplify further because we don't have like terms. There are no like terms. So we cannot simplify this further. This is the final answer. This is the product. All right, Bhavishya,
Yes, ma'am.
take a screenshot.
Took, ma'am.
Very good. All right. So now we did a sum like this in the last class also. So see here, simplify. Simplify 3x plus 2y the whole square minus 3x minus 2y the whole square. See, even if this is not given, when you see a question like this, there is only one thing you can do. So, actually in algebra, the heading hardly matters. The heading hardly matters because when you're given something like this, you can do only one thing. Okay. So, this is the first method, Bhavishya. So, write down what is given. Now, expand this using the formula a plus b the whole square, where a is 3x and b is 2y. So expand the first part using the formula a plus b the whole square. So put empty brackets. See, put empty brackets. A square plus 2 into a into b plus b square and fill in the blanks. So a is 3x, b is 2y and 2ab, 2 into 3x into 2y. Similarly, a minus b the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square. Again, a is 3x and b is 2y. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. This one is a plus b the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square in the first bracket. Then this minus. Now a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's all. Now 3x into 3x is 9x square. 2y into 2y is 4y square. 2 3s are 6, 12xy. Same thing here. 9x square minus 12xy plus 4y square. Now open the brackets. Okay, the first bracket, the terms in the first bracket come out as they are. In the second bracket, minus into plus, minus into minus, plus, minus into plus, minus. So the signs change. In every term in the second bracket comes out with the opposite sign because there's a minus outside the bracket. Now simplify the like terms. 9x square minus 9x square cancels. Plus 4y square minus 4y square. Plus 12xy plus 12xy plus 24xy. So this is one method. The other method is you can treat this as a square minus b square. You can treat it as a square minus b square, wherein your a is 3x plus 2y and your b is 3x minus 2y. See here, I put a bracket, a square. You can see the square there, minus b square. So a is 3x plus 2y, b is 3x minus 2y. Now, what is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Let me just write it and show it to you. See here. Okay, so it's 3x. It's 3x plus 2y the whole square minus 3x minus 2y the whole square. Right? Yeah. So this is like, this is a square minus, this is b square is equal to, see here, you put the empty bracket, open a square bracket, close a square. Okay, open a square bracket. This is a. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Put these empty brackets first. This is a plus b into a minus b. So what will come here, Bhavishya? What is a?
3x plus
And
2y.
what is, yeah, and what is b?
3x minus 2y, mom.
Yeah, so the same thing here. 3x plus 2y, 3x minus 2y, same thing here. Same thing here. That's all. Then open up the brackets. Then open the brackets. So you'll get 3x plus 2y. There's a plus sign here. So these terms will come out as they are. 3x minus 2y. Here 3x plus 2y minus 3x minus into minus plus 2y. Okay, now plus 2y minus 2y plus 3x minus 3x. So 3x plus 3x, 6x, 2y plus 2y, 4y. So 6y into 4y, 6 4s are 24, x into y is xy, 24x. So this is the alternate method. In the alternate method, we use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. In this method, we look at this as a plus b the whole square minus, and this one is a minus b the whole square. That's the difference. Here, this is here, this is a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. See the next one. We'll have to simplify. So that means we'll have to expand this, open the bracket. We need to expand this, and we have minus AB outside. Okay, so now this is clearly of the form x. See here, this is x plus y, the whole square. Why am I saying x plus y? Because there's already a and b. This expression already has a and b. So we won't say a plus b the whole square. We'll use different letters. Same identity, like a plus b the whole square, but we'll instead of a and b, we'll say x and y. So this is like x plus y the whole square. This is x, this one is x, this one is x, plus this one is y, the whole square. What is x plus y the whole square? X square plus 2xy plus y square. And then this minus ab as it is. So write down the given expression. Expand this using the identity x plus y the whole square, which is x square plus y square plus 2xy, and then minus ab as it is. Next step, you need to square it. What is 7 by 9 a the whole square? 7 by 9 into 7 by 9, 49 by 81. A into a square. 9, 9, 7, 7 cancel. So 2 into a into b, 2ab. Here 9 by 7 into 9 by 7, 81 by 49. B into b, b square. Minus ab. Now these two are like terms, ab. That is 2a plus 2ab minus ab. I've just written them next to one another. I'm not transposing. This is not an equation to transpose. I'm just moving this. It's in the fourth place. I'm just putting it in the third place. So now 2ab and minus ab, they're like terms. So 2ab minus ab is ab. That is 2ab minus 1ab is 1ab or ab plus ab. So 49 by 81 a square plus ab plus 81 by 49 b square. Now we cannot cancel this. Now answer this question. Now if you have 3 by 4 plus 4 by 3, will you cancel 3, 3, 4 and 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If you say yes, then I should ask you another question. Now what is 2 plus 1 by 2? What is 2? No, you just what you have 2. You have 2 chocolates, another half chocolate. What is 2 plus 1 by 2?
2.5 chocolates, ma'am.
2.5. What's the mixed? What's the proper fraction? Sorry, improper fraction. 2.5. What's the improper fraction?
2 1 by 2, ma'am.
That's the mixed fraction. Improper fraction.
5, ma'am.
5. 2.5 is 5, huh? Five by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So 2 plus half is 2.5 or 5 by 2. Practically also you feel this is correct, no? If you have 2 and somebody gives you half, you'll have 2.5 or 5 by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But according to your new theory, you're saying you'll cancel 2 and 2. Then you'll get 1. Which is the correct answer?
Ma'am, 5, 8 plus.
Yeah. So what do you understand from this? You cannot cancel 2 and 2 because there is a plus sign in the middle. So when there is a plus or a minus sign in the middle, you cannot cancel like that. You can cancel only when there's, if it's a product. If it's multiplication in the middle, you can cancel. Supposing you have 1 by 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 2. That means what? It's 1 by 2 into 2 means what? You have 1 by 2 2 times. Half 2 times you have. Half, you have it 2 times. You have half and another half. What is half plus half? 1, right?
1, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what you'll get here also. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and 1. So what you should, understand is when there is a plus or a minus sign in the middle, you cannot cross that and cancel. Like it's 2 plus 1 by 2. You can cancel, but you have to go beyond the plus sign. On either sides of the plus sign, there is 2 in the numerator and denominator. That cannot be cancelled because you're going past the plus sign. You cannot do that. Now, supposing it was 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2 like this, for example, you can cancel this 4 and 2 because between them it is multiplication. You are trying to cancel 4 and 1 by 2, and between these two, what is the sign? Multiplication. You can cancel, but you cannot cancel this 2 and 2 because between them there is a plus sign. So you cannot cancel. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you cannot cancel this 49 and 49, this 81 and 81. You cannot cancel because there's a plus sign. You're going past the plus sign, plus or minus sign, whatever. So if there's a plus or a minus sign, you cannot cancel this and this because there's a minus sign. There are some signs in the middle, plus, minus, and all that. So this is the final answer. Take a screenshot. I'll give you some time. You can go through the slide and ask me if you have any doubts. Please go through.
No doubt, ma'am.
Very good. So this is similar. You can help yourself with this one. Similar meaning, this is similar. The fourth one is similar to the third one. See here, the third one. It's similar to the third one. So you can do this by yourself. Take a screenshot. I've worked both the methods. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now find the value of this expression using a suitable identity. All right. So now you can make use of this identity a square minus b square here because this one is 38 square, a square, 22 square, b square, and there's minus here. So 38 square minus 22 square is of the form a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So this is the given expression. The numerator is like a square minus b square. So we write it as a plus b, see here, 38 plus 22 into 38 minus 22. Because this is a, 38, and b is 22. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. If you see something like a square minus b square, then you should write it as a plus b into a minus b. Now 38 plus 22 is 60 and 38 minus 22 is 16. 16 and 16 will cancel out and the answer is 60. So see, you were able to find the answer so quickly using the identity. Otherwise, you'll have to find 38 into 38, write that answer. Then 28 22 into 22, write that answer, then find the difference, and then divide by 16. So that is definitely time consuming. So using the identity, you can get the answer in, if you're fast, in less than 20 seconds. Take a screenshot and ask me if you have any question. I can even explain again.
Took screenshot, ma'am.
Yeah. So here also you see it looks like a square minus b square. The right hand side looks like a square minus b square. What is a there?
Ma'am, 9,982 square.
What is a?
9,982, ma'am.
And what is b?
18, ma'am.
Okay. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So how will you write a plus b?
9,982 plus 18, ma'am.
Very good. And a minus b will be?
9,982 minus 18, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. That's all. See here. So I've just mentioned the identity here. So now this is the given question. This is the given question. You can see here. Find the value of x if this one is equal to this one. There's an equation given to us. There is an equation given to us. We need to solve that equation and find the value of x. We are given an equation. This is the equation. We need to solve this equation and find the value of x. So write down the equation. I've just written the identity which is to be used here. So this is the given question. Now 10,000x is equal to, this is a square minus b square. So as you said, a plus b into a minus b. Now 10,000x is equal to, when you add this, you get 10,000. And when you subtract this, you get 9,964. So x is equal to, write this as it is. This 10,000 will come for division to the other side. This 10,000 will come down to the other side for division. Now this gets cancelled and the value of x is 9,964. Understood, Bhavishya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, take a screenshot.
Took, ma'am.
Yeah. So here verify that. Now how does 3x plus 5y the whole square look like for you?
Ma'am, a plus b the whole square, ma'am.
Sorry, yeah, a plus b the whole square. What is a there?
3x, ma'am.
Very good. What is b?
5y, ma'am.
Very good. So you know how to expand it. 3x the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's all it is. Take up the, so when the question is verify that, verify means the LHS is equal to the, you should prove, okay, verify means check whether the LHS is equal to the RHS. If the question is prove that or show that, then you should show that the LHS is equal to the RHS. Show that, prove that. That means you don't have a choice. You have to show that they are equal. But when the heading is verify that, verify means check. So the answer can be hence verified or the equation is not true also. It can be anything, but mostly it will be true. So now to work this, you should take only one side of the equation. So here we have taken the LHS because we'll have to verify. So take up the left hand side. Verification means take the left hand side. So this is the left hand side. Work this one and the answer you get should be the right hand side. If you get that, you have verified the equation. So this is the left hand side, write down that. Now, as you said, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then this minus 30xy as it is. Now this is 9x square, this is 30xy, and this is 25y square minus 30xy. Now plus 30xy minus 30xy gets cancelled. So we are left with 9x square plus 25y square, which is exactly the RHS. When we work the LHS, we are getting 9x square plus 25y square. See, we worked only the left-hand side. And when we worked it, we are getting 9x square plus 25y square. And that is what we have in the right-hand side. So it is equal to the RHS, hence verified. Take a screenshot and ask me, go through. Ask me if you have any questions.
No doubts, mom.
Very good. Now, two adjacent sides of a rectangle are given to you. So adjacent sides meaning rectangle, two adjacent sides are given to you. So say this one and this one, they are adjacent sides. Next to these are opposite sides. See this one and this one, they are opposite sides. This one and this one are opposite side. Adjacent sides meaning next to one. See after this side comes this side. So adjacent sides. Like after this side comes this side. They are adjacent sides. Okay, so you're given two adjacent sides. So one is 5x squared minus 3y squared. And the other one is x squared plus 2xy. And we need to find its perimeter. What's the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle?
Side into side, mom.
Really?
No, mom.
How do you find the perimeter of a rectangle?
Mom, yeah. L plus B.
No. Now tell me what is the perimeter? What will you add to find the perimeter?
Mom, L.
L?
L into B.
Oh, no. Okay, one minute. Now this is 10 and this is 6. How will you find the perimeter?
Mom, by
So,
adding.
yeah, tell me, what will you add?
Mom, 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, mom.
10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. So here, in terms of L plus L and B, what will you add? L plus?
L plus B.
Plus?
L plus B, mom.
Now, L plus L is what?
2L, mom.
And B plus B is?
2B, mom.
Now, what is common?
2, mom.
So in the bracket, what will you get?
L plus B, mom.
This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. This is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. L plus B plus L plus B. That means 2L plus 2B. 2 common L plus B. So 2 into L plus B. Okay. So that's the formula. So see here. This is the expression for length. This is the expression for breadth. And perimeter is 2 into L plus B units. So 2 into length. Substitute the expression for length, this one. Okay, 2 into L plus B. B, this is B. 2 into L plus B. This is 2 into L plus B. This is length plus the breadth. So 2 into, write down these two terms as they are. And then plus will not change any sign. So plus x squared plus 2xy plus 2xy. Then see if you have like terms, 5x squared and x squared, 6x squared minus 3y squared plus 2xy. Now multiply the 2. 2 into 6x squared, 12x squared. 2 into minus 3y squared, minus 6y squared. 2 into 2xy, 4xy units. Go through the answer. Take a screenshot. No hurry. Please go through.
No doubts, mom.
Okay. Multiply. We need to multiply these two expressions. So the first bracket has two terms. The second bracket also has two terms. So how do we multiply this? How do we multiply? X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 and x plus 1 by x. So we need to multiply the first term x to the power 4 with the second bracket x plus 1 by x, and the second term plus 1 by x to the power 4 with the second bracket x plus 1 by x. Now we need to multiply these two, these two, these two, and these two. And if there are any like terms, simplify and leave your answer. So see here. Go through this, Bhavishya.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, how we are multiplying that x power 4 into x plus x power 4 into 1 by x like that, ma'am?
Okay, so that's what we have to do, no? How do you multiply? Now tell me this one, Bhavishya. Supposing we have 2x minus 5 into x plus 2. How will you multiply this, Bhavishya?
Ma'am, 2 is common, ma'am.
Common, no? No. The first term 2x you should multiply with
X plus 2, ma'am.
x plus 2. And then
5
minus 5.
5 and multiplying with x plus 2, ma'am.
Then next step.
Ma'am, 2x into x is 2x power 2, ma'am.
Okay.
Plus 4 minus 5x.
2x into 2 is 4. Huh?
4x, ma'am.
Then
Minus 5x minus 2, ma'am. Minus 10, ma'am.
same thing. Whatever you did here. So you're multiplying this and this. That's what I've shown here. Then you're multiplying this and this. That's what I've shown here. Then you're multiplying this and this. That's what I've shown here. And then you're multiplying this and this. That's what I've shown here.
Okay, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of writing this answer straight away, I've just included one more step where we can see what we are multiplying. Then this one is x to the power 5. Here, x to the power 3. Here, 1x and 1x will go. So x cubed. Here, x to the power 4 into x is x to the power 5. Just see if you understand the last step. From this to this, just see if you understand. You sure you understand?
Understood, ma'am.
All right. Find the length of the side of the square if the area of the square is 625 square units, and then find the value of x. So you can see the figure there. There's a square and each side of the square is 4x plus 5 units. Each side of the square is 4x plus 5 units. Okay, so what is given to you? Area. Area is equal to area of the square is given to be 625 square units. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how will you find area? What's the formula to find the area?
Area into area, ma'am.
What exam you have tomorrow, Bhavishya?
Tamil, ma'am.
So now Tamil is taken over your mind. Area into area is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Area into area is area. Side into side is
Side
area,
into
right?
side. Yes,
Side
ma'am.
into side. Yeah. What is the side of the square given in the figure?
4x plus 5, ma'am.
So side is 4x plus 5. Side into side. So 4x plus 5 is equal to the area 625. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 5? What is 2 into 2? 2 square, right?
2 square.
Yeah. Then what is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 5? What is a plus b into a plus b?
Ma'am, a square plus a square minus b
No.
square.
No. What is a plus b into a plus b?
2ab, ma'am.
No. A plus b into a plus b.
A square b square, ma'am.
No. What is 5 into 5? How do you write 5 into 5 in exponential form? How will you write 5 into 5 in exponential form? 5 square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you write 3 into 3 into 3?
3 cubed, ma'am.
3 cubed. Then what is 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 5?
4x plus 5 the whole square, ma'am.
Correct. So 4x plus 5, the whole square is equal to 625. Now, supposing a square is 625, how will you find a?
Ma'am,
What is a? No, how? Okay, supposing a square is 16, what is a?
25, ma'am.
Okay, this one is 25, but what is the step? So if a square is 625, what is a? It is the? No, I can't hear you. It's not clear. So if a square is 625, a is equal to square root of 625, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, what is 4x plus 5 here is equal to?
Square root of 625.
Yeah, and what is square root of 625? 25.
25, ma'am.
Yeah, so 4x plus 5 is equal to 25. So solve for x. What is 4x equal to? 25?
Minus 5, ma'am.
Minus 5. So 4x is equal to 20. Then x is equal to what?
20 divided by 4, ma'am.
Which is 5. So the value of x is 5. The question is to find the value of x, and the value of x is 5. Yeah, take a screenshot. Okay, so here I've written directly side square. Okay, so here I've written, instead of writing side into side, I've written side square. Side square is equal to 625. So 4x plus 5, the whole square is equal to 625. If you write side into side, then you will get 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 5, which should be written as 4x plus 5, the whole square. Take a screenshot.
Took, ma'am.
All right. Last class, I had to, I think, explain the last one or something.
7th and 8th one, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So 7th one, similar to this, we just worked. Now with this paper which we solved, the first question is was similar to the 7th one. So you can see here, just take up the equation given. Just take up the equation given, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, and square it on both the sides. So x plus 1 by x, the whole square is equal to 5 square. So a plus b, the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can write a square plus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus b square plus 2ab. Both are the same. A square plus b square plus 2ab. is equal to 5 square. That is 25. So x squared, yeah, x squared plus 1 by x squared, x and x will get cancelled because it's in multiplication. So you can cancel this x and x. So x squared plus 1 by x squared plus 2 is equal to 25. So x squared plus 1 by x squared is 25 minus 2, which is 23.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go through the answer. See if you can understand. Understand, children? Oh, I'm sorry. Understand, Bhavishya? You want some more time to see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, please.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. This division, I'm still to prepare the 1 minute. I think I sent it on my 1 second. I'll just see. Yeah, 1 second. I'll just unshare and share again. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is the division, Bhavishya. So using division, so you know how to do the long division. We have learned this earlier. You know how to do the long division. So you'll have to perform the long division. See, now 1 minute. Now if I say show that, 7 is a factor of, say, 343. Okay, show that 7 is a factor of 343. Show that 7 is a factor of 343. So what you will do, you will divide 343 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 6 is the remainder. 3 comes down. 7 9s are 63. The remainder is 0. So since the remainder on division is 0, 7 is a factor of 343, or 343 is a multiple of 7. Since the remainder on division is 0, we can conclude that 7 is a factor of 343, or 343 is a multiple of 7 because the remainder is 0. Because the remainder is 0, 7 is a factor of 343. 343 is a multiple of 7. Understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, you will have to show that x plus 1 is a factor of this one. Is a factor of this. So divide. The remainder should be 0. Since the remainder is 0, the remainder is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. All right, Bhavishya, long division, you already know how to do it. We have worked many sums. Yeah. That's all right. These two, I think last class we did not discuss these two answers, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. All right, Bhavishya, I'll just share one more. Yeah. Take a screenshot of this one, 1 minute. You'll have to finish this before the next class. Take a screenshot. You'll have to finish this assignment before the next class. I think I'd already shared this one with you today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, did you finish this? You had time? No. You have exams also.
Ma'am, 3 sums around I haven't done, ma'am.
Okay. 3 sums meaning which one?
Ma'am, 5th, 6th, and 7th, ma'am.
5, 6, and 7, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you try. I don't want to show. I have the answers with me, but I don't want to share the answers. You try your best and we'll see the answers on Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Friday, you must remind me. This one and also Bhavishya, one particular class, we took up some 10 sums, I think, on factorizing by splitting the middle term. And 3 or 4 we discussed in the class. The rest of it, I said, we'll discuss later. You remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, those remaining questions which I have to, discuss, take pictures of only those questions and share it on WhatsApp with me, I'll
Yes.
write the answers and share the same on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Only those questions which I have to answer, not the whole thing. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please do that for me. And those answers I'll share on WhatsApp. And also this homework, please finish it by the next class. We'll discuss the answers. All right?
Ma'am.
All right. All right, Bhavishya. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. You may leave the call. Yeah.